The wait is finally coming to an end. And today, we are talking about a drone that has completely changed the way people look at immersive flying. DJI Avata 360 is no longer just a rumor, because its release timeline is now confirmed. And the excitement around this drone is bigger than anything we have seen from DJI in recent years. This is not just an upgrade, and this is not just another FPV drone. DJI Avata 360 is a bold step into the future where cinematic flying, full freedom of movement, and true 300 storytelling finally come together in one compact machine. Ever since DJI entered the FPV world, creators have been asking for something more immersive, more flexible, and more powerful. The original Avata proved that safe. FPV flying and cinematic shots can exist in one drone. Now, with Avata 360, DJI is taking that idea and pushing it to the extreme. This drone is built for creators who want to capture moments from every possible angle without limitations. Without fear and without complicated setups, the hype around DJI Avata 360 started months ago when leaks hinted that DJI was working on a fully integrated 360-degree camera system combined with FPV performance. At first, many people thought it was impossible. Combining a protected FPV drone with true 360 capture sounded too ambitious. But DJI has done what DJI always does. They listened, they innovated, and they built something that, once again, puts them years ahead of the competition. Now that the release date is officially confirmed, the excitement has reached a whole new level. Creators, filmmakers, vloggers, adventure athletes, and even professional studios are all waiting for this drone because it promises something no other drone has. Delivered before, the ability to fly aggressively, safely, and creatively while recording everything around you in full 360 degrees is a game changer. DJI Avata 360 is designed around the idea of freedom. Freedom of movement, freedom of creativity, and freedom from worrying about perfect framing while flying. With a 360-degree camera system, you no longer need to stress about angles during flight. You fly first, and you decide the framing later. This alone changes how aerial content is created. Especially for fast-moving FPV shots where precision framing is nearly impossible, the camera system on DJI Avata 360 is expected to be one of the most advanced DJI has ever put into a compact drone. It captures full spherical video at ultra-high resolution, allowing creators to reframe shots in post without losing quality. This means you can create standard cinematic videos, vertical content for social media, wide, ultra-cinematic shots, and immersive VR experiences all from the same flight. Low-light performance has also been a major focus. DJI understands that FPV flying often happens during sunrise, sunset, or dramatic lighting conditions. Avata 360 is optimized with advanced sensors and intelligent processing that delivers clean footage even when the light drops. Colors look natural, highlights are controlled, and shadows retain detail, giving creators footage that looks professional straight out of the camera. Stabilization is another area where DJI Avata 360 truly shines. Combining electronic stabilization with advanced horizon leveling and gyro data, the footage remains smooth even during aggressive maneuvers. You can dive, roll, flip, and fly through tight spaces while maintaining footage that looks cinematic and controlled. This makes Avata 360 perfect, not just for FPV pilots, but also for creators who are new to FPV flying. The design of DJI Avata 360 stays true to the Avata identity while improving it in every way. The ducted propeller design is refined for better airflow, improved efficiency, and quieter operation. This design allows the drone to fly safely near people and objects while maintaining strong performance. It also makes the drone more durable, which is crucial for FPV flying where crashes are sometimes unavoidable. Performance has been significantly improved. DJI Avata 360 delivers stronger motors, better throttle response, and improved control precision. Whether you are flying slowly for cinematic shots or pushing the drone to its limits for high-speed FPV action, the drone responds exactly how you expect. This balance between control and power is what makes Avata 360 suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. Flight time has also been optimized despite the advanced camera system. DJI has worked on battery efficiency and power management to ensure that creators can stay in the air longer. Longer flight times mean more creative freedom and fewer interruptions during shoots. For FPV drones, this is a huge advantage because every extra minute in the air matters. One of the most exciting parts of DJI Avata 360 is how it integrates with DJI's ecosystem. The drone works seamlessly with DJI FPV goggles, delivering a crystal-clear, ultra-latency live feed. Flying Avata 360 feels immersive and responsive, making you feel like you are inside the drone. This level of immersion is exactly what FPV pilots crave, and DJI has refined it even further. The controller options make Avata 360 accessible to everyone. Whether you prefer traditional dual-stick controls, motion controllers, or advanced manual FPV setups. DJI has ensured that Avata 360 adapts to your flying style. This flexibility is key to making the drone appealing to a wide range of users. Safety has always been a priority for DJI, and Avata 360 continues that tradition. Advanced obstacle awareness, intelligent flight modes, and emergency braking systems help reduce risks while flying. Even though FPV flying is about freedom, having intelligent safety features gives pilots more confidence. Especially when flying in complex environments, the waiting period for DJI Avata 360 has only increased its hype. Content creators across the world are already planning videos, films, and projects around this drone. Social media is filled with discussions, expectations, and excitement, because everyone understands that this drone will change aerial content creation. With its confirmed release, DJI Avata 360 represents the next evolution of FPV drones. It bridges the gap between immersive 360 cameras and hyper FPV flight. No longer do creators need to attach third-party cameras or compromise on quality. Everything is built in, optimized, and designed to work together perfectly. This drone is not just about specs or features. It is about storytelling. Avata 360 allows creators to tell stories in ways that were not possible before. From dynamic chase scenes to immersive travel videos, from action sports to cinematic short films, this drone opens doors to new creative possibilities. The anticipation surrounding DJI Avata 360 proves how much demand there is for innovation in the drone world. DJI has once again shown that they are not afraid to take risks and redefine categories. Avata 360 is not following trends. It is creating one. As we get closer to its official release, expectations continue to rise. But if DJI delivers what Avata 360 promises, this drone could easily become one of the most iconic drones ever released. It has the potential to dominate the FPV space and set a new standard for immersive aerial filming. Now, let's talk about the most important question everyone has been asking: the release date of DJI Avata 360 after months of leaks, speculation, and waiting. The timeline is finally clear. DJI Avata 360 is officially scheduled to be unveiled in the first half of 2026. With a global launch expected around April 2026, this confirmation has instantly boosted the hype because it means the wait is no longer endless. DJI has aligned this launch strategically, giving creators enough time to prepare while ensuring the technology is fully refined before it reaches the market. According to industry insiders and supply chain confirmations, DJI has already entered the final production phase for a V360. This explains why DJI has remained silent recently, because when DJI goes quiet, it usually means something big is about to drop. The April 2026 launch window places Avata 360 perfectly ahead of the summer content season, which is when creators, filmmakers, and travel vloggers push their most ambitious projects. What makes this release even more exciting is that DJI is expected to announce availability shortly after the official reveal, meaning users will not have to wait months after launch to actually get their hands on the drone. This shows DJI's confidence in the product and their readiness to deliver Avata 360 at scale. The confirmation of this release date has turned anticipation into countdown mode. Creators are no longer just dreaming about Avata 360. They are actively planning shoots, upgrading their workflows, and preparing content ideas around this drone. April 2026 is shaping up to be one of the biggest moments in FPV and drone history.